Hi everybody, I am Oishi Majumdar, student of Surendranath Law College. I grabbed my first paid internship in my third semester and today I am going to share with all how I achieved that. So to begin with, let me first introduce myself with all of you. So I have always been interested in various debate related topics and all my life I have watched numerous videos whenever I got free time. Apart from this, I absolutely love learning and gathering knowledge. This definitely made me read various books having different kinds of genres. So I think law is such a field which provided me both the gathering information and through reading, as we all say, and definitely watching the videos, which included the debates, which has become a part of my productive time, not my free time anymore. In 2022, when I was in my final year of school, I embarked on my journey for clearing CLAT. I even got a seat in NLU Aurangabad, but unfortunately, I could not manage to study there due to several reasons. Then I appeared for CULET and took admission in Surendranath Law College. From first year onwards, I started grooming myself in such a way so that I can in the future become a judge. So I specifically started studying the law papers very minutely and took help from ASLC Law Coaching Institute's online course of law classes. I specifically studied contract and Muslim law from the online course. And this year, I'm studying legal methods from the online course. This was very informative, and along with this, I also referred to various books as well. Later on, I kept writing answers and used to get them checked by my ma'am and sir. My answers quietly impressed my teachers. Therefore, they offered me an internship on content writing. This is a noble opportunity which has provided me the ability to study with more depth, and I also learned to research on several law topics. After that, I got the opportunity to write blogs on their website, and the blogs I wrote were specifically chosen by me on which I had knowledge since I studied them during my first and second semester examinations during my first year. I have mentioned almost every important topics which you will find super helpful as they are very elaborate, having case laws, illustrations for better understanding and also to the point so that you can get an idea as to how to write in exams. This internship is a paid one, and if you know and researched a bit, you will come to know that at this stage, none of the internships are paid. I specifically took up this internship on content writing because this is helping me understand the subjects in much more details, and earning is always good alongside learning because this has always inspired me and do everyone in their life to do much better. And since we are all going to be professionals, the habit of earning is really important. So let me sum up my skills which I have and further improving them, which got me this amazing opportunity. So I have always been intrigued by various topics and have a habit of reading them thoroughly. And I have a very good practice of writing. I always try to be a perseverant person in whatever I do with patience. I finish them no matter how difficult the work is. As we all know, trying something new tests our patience to a great extent, and this content writing requires a lot of patience. Through this internship procedure, I have learned a lot of things like researching, writing unique contents on my own. My patience level has increased and now I study a lot more than I used to. And I have also acquired knowledge of various tools and techniques which are really helpful in my own studies. So from my experience, I can say that it does not matter in which college you are in, as you have ocean of knowledge all around you. You just need to grab each and every opportunity that suits your path. So to the people out there who are on their way to Surendranath Law College, see you soon.